Yes, next topic, formulas tab, there define name and name manager. These both are explained in this video in MS Excel using formulas. Formulas menu bar. This is the name manager and this define name. These both are explained in this video. Define names. I am taking one student's mark list. Only 3% students only marks list in this one. First person Karthik, Telugu, English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social. In 3 subjects. Rishi, Vamsi. These are all students. These are all marks list. Okay. This what is this one? I am explaining here. Defined names. So that heading got displayed here. Where how to open that first formulas menu, their formulas menu, click on their define name. Okay, how to use the define name? Normally this before some explain on that. Normally one person mark list, how to calculate the Excel. How to calculate? Here clicking on here, after click is equal to any formula before Excel is equal to is compulsory. After sum, what is that? Sum, adding. This is adding now, sum. After shift 9, this means bracket open. After you select all the marks. Okay, select all the marks. After close, shift 0. Click enter. Now total will come. Using define name, how to calculate same formula. Okay, that I am explained. First this one deleted. Okay, first define the names. First what? Define the names. How many members is there? Define the names. Okay, first select the all marks. Okay, next click the define name. What is the define name first? First, what is the define name? Name cell so that you can refer to them in formulas by that name. For example, you might name the cell. This is expenses. What is that? This is expenses. I already example given there. Okay. Name can be used the formulas to make them easier to understand. Using the name, you define the any name of the calculating. In calculating that sum or average, maximum, minimum, whatever it may be, how you define the name on mention on there, a personal name or anyone is easy to the calculate for any way. Okay, this is the explain that one. First you select, after click define. Which person you selected on here? Karthik. That person name already comes to the define name, and you selected that marks refers to. You selected where it is, select the marks, person marks that refers to here. Click just OK. Same process done the remaining 2 members. Selected the Rishi marks, after click define, click OK. Select the Vamsi marks and after the define name, click OK. Okay. Click OK. Now, how to calculate? See here, very easy to calculate that. Is equal to sum. After, what is the name given there? Karthik. So, Karthik name displayed on here. See here. Click the tab. Open, close the bracket. Click OK. Same number with the name, define name using same total number came or not? Yes. Now average, how to use the average in that one? AVZ average, AZ average. Okay, same. Karthik. Tab that one, close that brackets, click. This is the define the average also. Okay, define the average also. How to, what is the maximum number of the Karthik? Okay, see, MA is equal to compulsory, max in this one. Which person? Karthik. So tab that, close that. What is the maximum number in this one person? Total of the Kartik 96 in Hindi. Okay, minimum is equal to minimum open bracket Kartik tab click enter. Minimum number what? 12 in max. This is the define. But define only that person opposite only done that one. No, another process is there, very easy process. I am clicking here. Okay, where it is using the same person problems. Okay, I am clicking on here. Here no person is there. After click, okay, click is equal to what is that? I am sum. Okay, sum. Which person sum I am? Rishi. Okay, click Rishi. Tap that one. That person marks comes to here. Okay, see here, you change this, the marks also already modified. I am increasing the marks in the Kartik in the 14. See, change the total, average, maximum number and minimum number also modified. Okay, understood. Next, I am here clicking is equal to another one, click is equal to, okay, maximum, okay, maximum number of which person? Vamshi. Okay, Vamsi. Tap that one, close that, click. Okay, I'm not accepted this one बोला. Underscore. Okay, I'm changed the name on here, no problem. Uma, that person. Okay, now what's you doing on here is equal to maximum number which person? Uma. Okay, tap that one, click. Okay, this is the which is the maximum number on here? 77. Okay, what is the total of Uma? Is equal to sum Uma, tap that one, click. Okay, 352. You change that anyone on here, automatically which person you change, that person total only changed. See here, Rishi marks I am changed here 49. See here, this is the Rishi total here changed. Okay, so given to the defined name, anywhere using the name will be calculating which one calculate maximum, minimums, average, anyone. Our formulas using that name is useful to you. Next one, what I am explaining here, name manager. What is that? Name manager. Up to in this time, which one are given to here to display it. Next, how to delete it, how to edit that. Edit means once you click the edit. What is that? Edit. Which number? Kartik numbers edit. What is the edit? I am here. Here I am edit. Okay, refers to the deleted. I am refers to only Telugu. Okay, that only click. Okay, close that one. Only Telugu marks. Click sum. See is equal to click sum and which person? Kartik. Which person? Kartik. Tap that one. After click OK. Click enter. What is that? Only Telugu names is modified and editing that one. Here name manager, I am here only. What is that? This one modified. Another one, all are the normal all subjects. Here Kartik only taken, I am only Telugu subjects. That way only that one only editing. Another one editing you understand easily. Okay, I'm taking Rishi one editing. What is that I am here? Delete on that. What is I'm taken only max subjects only. Okay, click OK. Now close this one. Only max to come here is equal to sum open bracket. Which person? Rishi. Okay, tap that one. Click OK. See here, only max homeworks only modified. Okay, max only displayed. Okay, understood? This is the define name and name manager. Okay, yes, thank you. Anyone first saw my channel, please subscribe and share and like. Any doubts you have, comment section, comment that. Thank you.